Oh my God, guys, 5.3K USD per month. This is a huge amount. Just imagine earning over $5,000 every single month from one YouTube channel. Now, if we talk about this channel, it has uploaded nearly 1,000 videos, and within a short period, it has gained over 4 million subscribers. So what kind of content does this channel create? It creates Football World Cup niche content. As I told you earlier, the World Cup is getting closer, the excitement is building, and football is trending everywhere. It's exactly why these football-related videos are growing so fast. The reason is simple. During the World Cup, everyone watches football content. Kids watch it, adults watch it, young people watch it, people of every age enjoy these videos. Another reason these videos perform so well is their 2D and 3D cartoon animation style. This style has a very high chance of going viral, because when these videos appear in Reels or Shorts, people usually watch them until the end. You already know that the FIFA World Cup is an international event watched by millions of people around the world. Now, if we look at this channel's videos, you'll see that many of them have gained millions of views. One of their most popular videos has reached 78 million views. The creator simply generates football videos in a cartoon animation style, gains millions of views, and earns a great income from them. So guys, without wasting any time, today we're going to use completely free AI tools. There is no paid collaboration in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Guys, I've already prepared a master prompt especially for you. Inside this master prompt, you'll find everything from A to Z. You'll get video ideas, image prompts, video prompts, and everything you need to create these videos. You'll find the link to this master prompt in the description. All you have to do is open it. After opening it, simply open Cloudy AI, because that's the AI tool we're going to use today. Once you've opened Cloudy AI, log into your account. Then go to the prompt box. From the master prompt document, copy the first prompt. After copying it, paste it into Cloudy AI and simply click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, Cloudy AI will start analyzing the football transfer niche. Then it will provide us with viral ideas and trending concepts related to this niche. From those ideas, simply choose any title or concept that you like. You'll get around 10 different ideas, so just pick one of them. After that, go back to the document and copy the image prompt generator prompt. Come back to Cloudy AI. Now copy the idea you selected. Scroll to the bottom where it says My Topic and paste your selected idea there. Then simply click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, Cloudy AI will begin creating your content. Within a few moments, it will prepare all of the image prompts for you. And as you can see, it has generated all the image prompts scene by scene. First, it gives us the character prompts, and after that, it generates the scene prompts, which we'll use to create our first images. So guys, now that our image prompts are ready, it's time to generate the images. For image generation, I'm going to use a completely free AI tool called Manus AI. You'll find the link in the description, or you can simply search for it on Google. Just open the website, log in, paste your prompt, add 9:16 aspect ratio at the end of the prompt, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the AI will start thinking and begin creating your image. Within a few moments, your image will be ready. And here you can see our first image. It looks absolutely beautiful. It uses the ChatGPT Image 2 model for image generation, and the best part is that it's completely free. Now I'll copy the second prompt. After copying it, I'll go back to the free AI image generator. I'll paste the prompt and click Generate once again. As soon as I click Generate, the image generation starts. And here you can see that my second image is also ready. The result is absolutely amazing. Now all you have to do is download both of these images. Then keep these two images as reference images. After that, copy the next prompt, paste it into the generator, and click Generate. Follow exactly the same process for all of your images. One by one, keep copying the prompts, pasting them into the generator, and clicking Generate. Also, keep using your previous images as reference images while generating the next ones. This way, all of your image generation will continue smoothly. Now, and once again, the quality is amazing. In my opinion, this is one of the best free AI image generation methods available right now. Now it's time for video generation. So, what do you need to do? Simply go back to the docs file, where you'll find the third prompt, which is the video generation prompt. Copy that prompt. Then, go to Cloudy AI and paste it there. After that, copy all of the image prompts that were generated earlier and paste them below the video generation prompt. And there you go. Your video prompts are now ready. Now it's finally time to generate the videos. For video generation, we're going to use a tool called Arena AI. Simply open Arena AI. You'll find its link in the description. Log in to your account. After logging in, you'll see an Add a File option. Click on Add a File. Then simply upload your first image. After that, go back to Cloudy AI. Copy the first video prompt. Come back to Arena AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, add 9:16 aspect ratio at the end, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, after a short while you'll notice two results appearing, Assistant A and Assistant B. This means the tool can generate two different versions of the same video at the same time, using different AI models. Both videos look amazing. They look beautiful. The only thing I noticed, now follow exactly the same process again. Go back, upload your second image. Just like that, your second video has started generating, and it will be ready within a few moments. Now, if you see a message saying, "You've reached your limit, please try again later," don't worry. Simply open another browser. For example, I'll open another Chrome browser. Log in with a different Gmail account. Then follow exactly the same process again. Upload your image. Copy the prompt. Paste it into Arena AI. Then click Generate. Just like that, your next video will also start generating. Now let's check the results. Once again, the quality looks amazing, and it has generated the video with sound as well. Now let's generate the last video. Again, click on Add a File. And there you go. Your video is now ready. Now we've reached the final step. The final step is video editing. First, come into CapCut and import all of your videos. Then, one by one, place every video on the timeline. Adjust the volume, add background music, and make sure everything is synced properly. After that, add smooth transitions between your clips. Use football-style background music to make the video more engaging. If you want, you can also add captions. And if you'd like, you can even add a professional voiceover. Once everything is complete, export your video in 4K at 60 FPS. And that's it. This is the final result. Today, you saw exactly how we created professional football animation videos using completely free AI tools. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.